Welcome back, fellow tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode of Code with Technical Earth. I'm Vishal Arora, and today we're diving deep into the realm of personal development with a fascinating book that has transformed countless lives. Think and Grow Rich, by Napoleon Hill. In this chapter-by-chapter exploration, we'll uncover valuable lessons and practical examples that can help us grow not only as programmers but as individuals striving for success. So let's get started. Chapter 2 of Think and Grow Rich focuses on the importance of having a burning desire. Napoleon Hill asserts that a strong, unwavering desire is the first step towards achieving any goal. But what does this mean for us in the world of coding? How can we cultivate that burning desire to excel in our careers? Let's find out. One practical example of applying the principle of a burning desire is setting specific coding goals. Instead of merely saying, "I want to become a better programmer," we can set a specific target, such as, "I want to learn Python and develop a web application within 3 months." This clarity gives us a clear direction and intensifies our desire to succeed. Another crucial aspect of having a burning desire is visualizing the end result. As programmers, we can leverage this technique by creating a vision board or using visualization exercises. For example, if your goal is to create a mobile app that reaches millions of users, visualize yourself holding your smartphone, browsing your app with pride, and receiving positive reviews. This visualization reinforces your desire and motivates you to take action. Now, let's talk about the power of affirmations. Napoleon Hill suggests that repeating positive affirmations can strengthen our desire and program our subconscious mind for success. As programmers, we can create affirmations like, "I am a skilled and innovative coder," or, "I easily solve complex programming challenges." By reciting these affirmations daily, we reinforce our belief in our abilities and attract opportunities that align with our desires. Lastly, surrounding ourselves with like-minded individuals can significantly impact our burning desire. In the programming community, this translates into joining coding communities, attending meetups, or participating in online forums where we can connect with fellow programmers who share our ambitions. The support and encouragement from others fuel our desire, and we can learn from their experiences and insights. That wraps up our exploration of Chapter 2 of Think and Grow Rich. Remember, a burning desire is the ignition that propels us forward in our coding journey. Set specific goals, visualize success, use affirmations, and seek out a supportive community of fellow programmers. These practices will amplify your desire and drive you towards achieving greatness. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Code with Technical Earth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know in the comments below how you cultivate your burning desire in the world of coding. Until next time, happy coding and keep striving for success.